a histograms question here, and for this we need to use the fact that we should know that the frequency density is equal to the frequency divided by, so the frequency divided by the class width. Okay, so let's have a look at this first group. We're told that the number of leaves in the 3 to 4 group is 15. So let's have a look at what we know. So we don't know the frequency density, but we do know for that group the frequency, and the frequency is 15. So the frequency density will be 15 frequency divided by the class width. Well, the width of that class is from 3 to 4, which is 1. So the frequency density for that group, the 3 to 4 group, so that's this one, is going to be 15. So I know that I can now put 15 there. Okay, now it's quite difficult to see the scale here, but I can, if I go a little bit carefully, I can see that 5 is going to be there, and then every 2 squares is equal to 1 unit. So if I just put those on, so 10 is going to be there, and then we've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The question then says find the number of leaves with widths in the class 0 to 2. So the other thing that I know for each group is that it's the area which tells me the frequency. Once I've got my frequency density scale marked on, and if I look at that area for that 0 to 2 group, the area is going to be 2, because it's 2 from there to there, multiplied by this, which is 4, and 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So there must be 8 leaves in that group. Okay, this part B of the question here says, can you work out an estimate for the number of leaves in the range 4.5 to 5.5? So I'm just going to draw on 4.5 and 5.5. Let's just do that in orange. So 4.5 is exactly here. That's halfway between 3. No, sorry, wrong. Just undo that. Sorry, halfway between 4 and 5. That's there, and 5.5 is there. So we're trying to work out the area in between these two orange lines. Okay, so the height of, so in other words, we want to find this area here, and we want to find this area here. Now, for this area here, the width of this rectangle is 0.5, and the height of it is 12. So the area is 0.5 times 12, which is 6. Now, for this area here, the width across the bottom here is 0.5, and the height there is 6, and 0.5 times 6 is 3. So the total area there is 3 plus 6, which is 9. So the number of leaves in the range 4.5 to 5.5 is 9 leaves. There are 9.